everyone, and welcome to Friday's Celebration Assembly. It has been an adventurous week this week, hasn't it? Yes, it has. We have been very busy all week long. And when you come to the end of the school year, there's just so much to do and so little time to do it in. But the children have been working hard, haven't they? They have. And we have lots of things to celebrate this week. And as we have been doing in the last few weeks, we'll share the winners of our different awards by also sharing some pictures of things that have been happening around the school. Are we ready for our assembly? We are. Are you ready? Let's start. Going for Gold Awards. In Leeds class, we have Jackson for showing kindness when sharing and trying 2 pieces of fruit for the first time ever. We also have Vatek for super effort in sports day. He was the only member of Green Team. In York class, we have Anaya for being a kind friend and Zara for making super independent sentences. In whole class, we have Alicia for super front cover of our transport book and Reuben for thinking of great ideas to write about. He knows lots of things about transport. In Nottingham class, we have Indy for fantastic reading and knowing all her phonic sounds, and Jacob R.B. for great work in maths, counting in 2s, 5s, and 10s. In Liverpool class, we have Freya for super internet research on transport, and Jake H. He also gets it for super internet research on transport. In Cardiff class, we have Gracie for trying hard in math lessons, and Isabella for excellent research when looking at the different classifications of animals. In Edinburgh 1, we have Casper for improving his handwriting over the last few weeks, and Madison for working hard even when working from home. In Edinburgh 2, we have Kian for taking his time on writing a sea creature report in English, and Noah for always having a positive attitude towards his learning. In Cambridge class, we have Cooper for using his number facts and times tables knowledge to make solving problems easier. And to all of the staff in Cambridge class and the children in Year 5 for continuing learning when Miss Holscroft has been absent. In Oxford class, we have Ewan and Vernice for excellent effort in all of the home learning tasks. In Chester class, we have James for working hard and completing his catch-up work. Well done to all of these children. Year of Being Brave Awards. First in Leeds class, we have Holly and Flynn for showing perseverance at sports day. In York class, we have Henry for persevering when learning to write his name. In Hull class, we have Leland for writing his name all by himself and holding his pencil in a better way. And Gabrielle for having confidence to write ideas in English by herself. In Nottingham, we have Susanna for disciplined bravery for discussing answers with peers, and Hubert for moral bravery when playing with his peers. In Liverpool, we have Lexi for disciplined bravery for being focused and not giving up when running the daily mile, and Ruby Ann for intellectual bravery being totally committed to doing home learning. In Cardiff class, we have Tia Rose for empathetic bravery. She always looks out for others and makes sure people aren't alone at break time. We also have Dorothy for intellectual bravery. She's always got her hand up and joining in with lessons. In Edinburgh 1, we have all of the class for rising to the challenge of the Daily Mile competition and being brave enough to give it their best effort. In Edinburgh 2, we have Jessica for disciplined bravery. She has listened so carefully to the British Sign Language challenges I put up each week, and she has been helping the other children remember the signs. In Cambridge class, we have Brooke for showing intellectual bravery and becoming increasingly confident at times tables and divisions by 10, 100, and 1,000. We also have Lacey for intellectual bravery for showing confidence in her maths explanations. In Oxford class, we have Rosemary Ann and Riley for learning how to use Teams and having a good online presence in sessions. And in Chester class, we have Alex for controlling his emotions and worked hard to get a green dojo wheel and started to tell staff about any problems so they can help. And the Head Teacher Award for this week goes to all of the Year 6 class for their excellent remote learning engagement this week and persevering and practicing their performance in online sessions. Wow, that is a lot of fantastic work that's been happening in the school, and we're ever so proud of all of the children who have been giving their absolute best they have. We still have 3 more weeks of school left and lots to do. You have a good weekend, and I'll see you on Monday.